You're probably tired of AI giving you confident answers that turn out to be completely wrong. I've been using XAI's new Grok 4.2 and discovered something game-changing. Instead of one AI making stuff up, you get 4 AI agents debating and fact-checking each other before giving you an answer. The difference is huge.
Welcome back to bitbiased.ai, where we do the research so you don't have to. Join our community of AI enthusiasts with our free weekly newsletter. Click the link in the description below to subscribe. You will get the key AI news, tools, and learning resources to stay ahead.
In this video, I'll show you how Grok's new 4-agent mode actually works, when you should use it versus the faster modes, and how to write prompts that get you way better answers. Whether you're researching, writing, problem solving, or just trying to get accurate information, this changes everything. Let's start with what's happening behind the scenes. How the 4 agents actually work. When you ask Grok a question in 4-agent mode, you're not just talking to one AI anymore. You're getting 4 specialized minds working together. Captain Grok, who runs the show, Harper, who digs into facts and research, Benjamin, who handles logic and math, and Lucas, who brings creative thinking. Here's what makes this different. These agents actually argue with each other. If one suggests something questionable, the others challenge it. It's like having a built-in fact-checking team that catches mistakes before you ever see them. This is why you get way fewer of those confident but wrong answers. The best part? This all happens automatically in one response. You ask your question, the agents debate behind the scenes, and you get their consensus answer. No extra work on your end. When to use which mode. Here's where most people mess up. They either use the slowest mode for everything and wait forever, or they use the fast mode and wonder why the answers aren't great. Let me break down when to use each. Fast mode is perfect for quick questions. What's the capital of France? Explain this concept simply. Write a short email. Basic stuff that doesn't need 4 minds debating. 4-agent mode is where you bring out the big guns. Use it when you need reliable research, complex problem solving, detailed analysis, fact-checking on important topics, or creative work combined with accuracy. Think. Planning a business strategy, researching medical information, debugging why something isn't working, or writing content that needs to be both creative and factual. The real cost isn't money for most users, it's time. 4-agent mode takes longer because those agents are actually deliberating. Fast mode gives you answers in seconds. 4-agent might take 15-30 seconds. Choose based on whether you need speed or quality. How to actually get better. Answers. The way you ask questions changes everything. With 4 specialized agents, you can actually direct them to focus on what matters to you. If you need rock-solid facts, say it. Research this topic thoroughly and fact-check everything. Harper will go deep on verification. If you need step-by-step logic, ask for it. Walk me through the reasoning step by step. Benjamin will show his work. If you want creative solutions, give me some innovative approaches to this problem. Lucas will bring fresh ideas. Here's a technique that works incredibly well. Ask Grok to debate itself. Try something like, what are the arguments for and against this decision? Then tell me which is stronger and why. You'll get multiple perspectives battling it out, and the final answer is way more nuanced than a single viewpoint. For complex questions, break them down. First, research the background, then analyze the pros and cons. Finally, give me your recommendation with reasoning. You're creating a structure for the agents to follow, and the results are dramatically better. Real examples you can use today. Let's get practical. Say you're researching whether to buy a new gadget. Instead of, is the iPhone 16 good? Try, research the iPhone 16's key features. Compare it to the 15 and Samsung's latest. Check recent user reviews for common issues. Then tell me if it's worth upgrading from an iPhone 14. Grok will use web search for current reviews. Harper checks the facts. Benjamin compares specs logically. Lucas considers user experience, and you get a thorough answer with sources you can verify. For writing help that needs accuracy, research current trends in remote work, then write a LinkedIn post that's engaging but backed by real data. You get creative writing from Lucas grounded in Harper's research. Problem solving. I'm trying to decide between 3 job offers. Here are the details. Analyze salary, growth potential, work-life balance, and company stability. Then rank them with clear reasoning. You get multi-angle analysis instead of a gut feeling. Planning something complex. I want to visit Japan for 2 weeks. Research the best time to go, must-see places, estimated costs, and create a rough itinerary. The agents coordinate research, logistics, and creativity. Managing conversations. One cool feature: Grok remembers your conversation within a chat session. You can build on previous answers without re-explaining everything. Start with, "Help me understand quantum computing basics," then follow up with, "How does that apply to cryptography?" Grok picks up where you left off. But here's the thing. Longer conversations mean more context to process, which can slow things down. If you're switching topics completely, start a fresh chat. Think of it like closing browser tabs. Keep what's relevant, clear what's not. Verifying what you get. When Grok uses web search, it shows you citations. Use them. Click through to sources, especially for important decisions or surprising claims. The 4-agent system dramatically reduces BS, but always verify critical information yourself. If an answer seems off, ask Grok to show its sources or reasoning. Where did you get that statistic? Or walk me through your logic here. The agents will break down how they reached that conclusion. The limitations. Nobody talks about Grok's knowledge cuts off in November 2024. For anything newer, it needs to search the web, so make sure you're enabling that search feature when you need current info. Don't ask about today's news without letting it search. The 4-agent mode is in beta, currently rolling out to Premium Plus subscribers. If you don't see it yet, you're probably on the wait list. The interface and features might change as they refine it. And yes, 4-agent mode is slower. If you're used to instant answers, the 15-30-second wait can feel long. But for complex questions, it's worth it. Fast food versus a real meal. Choose based on what you need. Getting the most out of it. Think of Grok as a team you're managing, not a magic answer machine. The better you direct them, the better results you get. Be specific about what you need. Ask for what you value. Facts, creativity, logic, and don't be afraid to ask follow-up questions. Use fast mode as your default. Save 4-agent for when the question actually matters and needs multiple perspectives. You'll save time and get better results where it counts. Build a list of prompts that work well for you. When you find a pattern that delivers great results, save it and reuse it. Adapt it for different situations. Bottom line. Grok 4.2's 4-agent mode gives you 4 specialized AI minds debating to get you better, more reliable answers. It's not magic, but when you use it right, choosing the right mode for your needs and asking good questions, the difference is massive. Key points. Understand fast mode for quick questions and 4-agent for complex thinking. Direct the agents by being specific about what you need. Ask for debate and multiple perspectives. Verify sources on important topics, and manage your chats by starting fresh when changing topics. We're seeing AI shift from one model, trying to do everything, to specialized teams collaborating. That's what makes this exciting. You get the benefits without needing a computer science degree. What are you planning to use this for? Drop a comment with your use case. I'd love to know if you're researching, writing, problem solving, or something else entirely. And if this helped, smash that like button and subscribe. I cut through the AI hype and show you what actually works. The future isn't bigger AI models, it's smarter teams of AI working together, and you can use it right now.